video, let's understand about the primary market and the secondary market. What is primary market? It is the market where new securities are issued for the first time. In simple words, a company sells its shares to the public for first time. It happens in the primary market. This process is called as IPO, initial public offering. What is the purpose of it? To expand its business or to raise funds to the existing projects or new projects, to repayment of the loans. The company sells its shares to the public for the first time. The main purpose is to raise capital or funds. For example, when a Reliance industry issue its shares through IPO, the investors buy directly from the company. Secondary market. Secondary, it is a place where already issued securities are bought and sold among the investors. Meaning, after the company is listed on NSE or BSE, you buy and sell the shares through the stock exchanges among the investors. After the Reliance IPO, its shares are listed on the NSE or BSE. You can buy or sell Reliance shares on the stock exchanges. That is secondary market trading. The listed securities are traded in the secondary market. The difference between the primary market and the secondary market is, in the primary market, the company sells the shares through an IPO to the public for the first time. The participants involved in the primary market are the company and the investors. Whereas in secondary market, after the company is listed on the stock exchanges, you can buy and sell the shares among the investors in the secondary market. The participants involved here are the investors. The company is nowhere involved in the secondary market. The purpose of primary market is to raise funds, whereas secondary market is to provide the liquidity. Liquidity means easy buying and selling of stocks in the market. The price in the primary market is decided by the company, whereas in secondary market it is decided by the demand and supply. Thank you.